So one thing that I've always wanted to do was give back to an underserved community, right? So I wanted to kind of use my fitness background and mobilize that fitness community to use their skills and knowledge to help underserved communities. That being said, last night gave me even more motivation because I attended this event by a nonprofit called Sitters Without Borders. And what they do is provide single moms the opportunity to get babysitting in order for them to go back to college and get better jobs. And yeah, the woman behind this nonprofit, she was just amazing. Her name's Oksana, and she's from the Ukraine. She traveled here at the age of 9. So she's an immigrant, right? And she was able to see that there was a community that needed this sort of service. And she was able to create this nonprofit for American citizens who struggle on a day-to-day basis with childcare, right? And I was like, wow, if she can do this, there's no reason why I can't do something just like it. So my goal is to create a nonprofit, right? Use my fitness background and help underserved communities, right? So it's like using my services, donating my services to nonprofits, throwing boot camps or whatnot, so that I can provide some sort of service to the underserved community. That being said, I do have some highlights and some good times from last night's event. So I'll just cut into the video and check it out. I'll leave all of the information on ways that you can reach out and help with the Sitters Without Borders nonprofit in the description below. So go check them out. And if you can help, whatever way that you can, just do so. All right, because they're for a good cause. And for every single mom out there, it's rough. So check them out, and yeah, let's get straight into the video. So your boy lost 2 losers, but the champ is here. I'm going to be bowling this whole winter time so I can get my name on that board as number 1. All right.